Hey y'all, so today we are doing kind of a cozy and casual video. Today we're going to be doing a luxury for less version of a Temu haul. I have actually tried a few of these products and I'm pretty excited to share them with you. It's definitely a smaller haul, but there are some items that pack a punch. So let's go ahead and dive into it. If you aren't familiar with Temu, I will leave all the links down below for you to check this out, and I will leave my code up here so you can save yourself a little bit of money. They're an online marketplace that has pretty much everything that you could ever imagine. I know some people in my comments haven't been super nice about Temu, and that's okay. It's not for everybody. I really love Temu because it's a really great place to get really nice quality items really fast at super great pricing. Plus, you can find some super unique items that you can't find anywhere else, which makes it even more exciting. And there are so many products on their site. I spent hours just getting lost in there. And that's how I ended up with all of this. Something that I think will be kind of fun, because I did see almost all of these similar items on Amazon. I'll put the Temu price and the Amazon price up for you on the screen as I go through, so you can see just how much of a difference the pricing is. So let's go ahead and talk through the items. First, we can start off with my nails because these are from Temu. So this is what they look like. I'll put a little picture up as well. They have little rhinestones. They're very I think it's called coquette style with the little bows and the gems. Two of these gems have fallen off. And then on this one, the gem on my pointer finger fell off as well. I've been wearing these for probably I don't know, maybe almost a week at this point. So I'm not too surprised that the gems fall off. I usually don't get nails that have gems because I'm not particularly gentle with my nails. So they tend to fall off. So just something to keep in mind. But otherwise they're really great. I'm pretty sure they were under $3, so I don't mind that the gems fell off. But I've been getting lots of compliments on my claws, so like these for sure. The other thing that I'm super happy with is this purse. I have some items in here so you can hear that. This is what it looks like. Isn't this just stunning? I mean, look at that. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like an embroidered, almost wicker-esque material. And then it does have this clasp on the front. So you just twist and then that pops open. So super easy to open and close. I really like it. And then this strap is adjustable and removable. I have to say the quality of this is not amazing, but it looks fine. And honestly, I think I would probably rather have it just be like a gold chain with this bag. So I'm probably gonna swap that out anyways, just because I don't really love the look of this with this bag. So just something to keep in mind. You could also use it as a little clutch too. And then on the inside, it's just that same faux leather material. Feels nicer on the inside than it does here. And then it's just one big open pocket. And I currently have a stick of gum and some super glue in there. What a random item combo. But yeah, so that is what this purse looks like. I think this is so pretty. I'm going to be using this a ton. I think this is probably going to be my go-to bag for weddings that I'm going to, just because I think this color palette matches the vibe of a lot of different bridesmaid dresses and wedding guest dresses that I have. So I'm really, really happy with this one. Now the rest of the stuff I have not used. So we're gonna be seeing how things go. I got another pair of fake nails. This is how this pack came. I don't usually like this. I prefer the box just because this is not as easy for me to store. But they're just some light purple nails. Nothing super fancy, but I thought they'd be, good to have for the spring. Also got myself an ice roller. I have a couple of the globe ones, and then I have one that I got from FabFitFun, but I didn't have just the traditional one. And I know that as we get warmer and I'm more outside, I'm gonna be getting sunburn. And I was reading on Pinterest that this with aloe is a great combo for a sunburn. So I'm really excited for that. And then also, just for an ice roller. This looks really nice. I mean, it looks like every other ice roller I've seen. So, nothing super special, but way better to pay the Temu price than anywhere else. This is the only thing that I was pretty disappointed by. And it's a shower scrub brush. I had one for too long and it broke the other day. So I just decided I'd order one off of Temu. And it's all squished. and I can't seem to fix it because every time I pull it out, it just falls right back down. So I don't think this is going to end up being something that I use for my hair. However, since we did just start fostering our German Shepherd puppy, Miss Kona, I'll put a picture up here in case you've missed my previous videos. I actually think this is going to be a really good brush for her because it's kind of silicone, so it'll kind of grip some of the hair, and she loves getting her hair brushed. She's a girly girl. So I actually think this is going to be really good for that, but I'm going to have to order a different one for me because this is not going to work. I've also been on the hunt for a new eye mask. I have a satin one, but I want one that's like completely blacking out my eyes. And so I saw this one that has kind of the like molded cups to it, and this is fantastic. So I am really excited. I think I want to sleep really well. I never thought that I was going to be an eye mask person, but since I have headaches like literally almost every day now, these are amazing because even if it's not dark outside, if I have a headache and there's even a little bit of light sensitivity, it destroys my sleep. So having something like this that completely blocks out all the light is going to be game changing for me. And it does also come with an elastic adjustable strap. So that's exciting. I saw a girl in the grocery store the other day wearing a pink checkered hair clip and I loved it. So I decided to get one for myself. I really like this. I actually really liked this one specifically because it's not super vibrant. It's more like a kind of like washed out pink and cream rather than like a bright pink and a white. And then I also really like the size of this. I think this is kind of, I usually like the really big ones, but this is the size that I've been liking more so recently. And I just really like this. Good quality clip, nice and cheap, really cute. I just love the checker print. So these earrings were just in the bag with the paper that has holes. So the earrings could have gone through the holes, but they didn't. And that's okay. I mean, it's easier for me to not have to do that. So these are kind of like faux hoops. They're like a set of 3 and then they don't actually close all the way in the back. Okay, so this is what they look like. I think these are pretty. They're really light. I like can barely tell that they're in my ear, so I'm into it. I'm happy. And then it does come with the backs as well. So I'd say these are successful. These are another thing that I really have been liking the style of these like faux hoops, specifically with like the 3, but they're really expensive and I don't wear earrings very often, so I didn't want to spend that kind of money unless I know that I'm really gonna like it, because I will invest in jewelry if I know that it's a piece I'm gonna wear all the time, and I'm just not sure about these yet. So I like trying cheaper jewelry, seeing if I wear it all the time, and then if I do, I'll go buy a more expensive version. This is the next pile of earrings. I don't like the gold on this at all. So like here's one of the hoops. I'm probably not gonna end up wearing these. For comparison, this is kind of that like rose gold, and then this is the yellow gold. It's kind of hard to tell in this lighting, but this one just looks more expensive to me, and this one looks cheaper. This also feels cheaper. These are lightweight but feel nice, and these are cheap. I don't know how to describe that. So I don't really like those. Can't really say these are like, I'm sure they would look fine, you know, but I don't think I'm gonna end up wearing these, so that's okay. Give them to a friend. No harm, no foul. So I also decided to get 2 facial sculpting tools. The first is this Guasha, I think is what it's called. Immediately dropped it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's stainless steel, and you basically just like sculpt your face with it. I decided to get the stainless steel one because I have a stone one and I dropped it, much like I did with this one, and it cracked. And I didn't want that to happen again because I'm super clumsy. So I decided to get something that was a little more sturdy. And then also, since it's stainless steel, it's a little bit cooler. So I think it's just gonna feel really nice. So I'm excited for this one. And then the last thing I got is this. Yeah, this is a weird machine. It's a neck sculptor, I know. weird, wacky, but I've been seeing this everywhere. So you can use it to sculpt your neck, your cheekbones, your forehead, and give yourself a lymphatic massage as well, which was one of the main things that excited me about this, because lymphatic drainage is something that I have gotten 1 or 2 like professional massages done, and I feel like it just makes a huge difference for me. So I wanted to be able to do that at home. So this is what it looks like. Oh, okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but it like says skin rejuvenation, facial lifting, wrinkle improver, EMS tightening, and then you basically, oh, when it touches your skin, it vibrates. Yeah, so I'll probably put some like oil on so it smooths my skin, but that's pretty exciting. And then it does come with a charger as well. That's everything in my Temu haul today. I am super interested to see what you think of this one. If there's any products that you have tried, let me know what your experience was, and let me know what your favorite find from this haul is. I think mine is probably gonna end up being that purse, just because I've been so happy with it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, looks super luxurious, but was very, very affordable. And then probably that eye mask. I feel like that's just the phase of life that I'm in right now. Sleep over everything. So that was everything. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.